St. Martin's Sea Caves and Walton Glen Gorge. Let's go.
Get the camera out of my face.
Look at that bridge.
Yeah, we don't even pass through it.
We don't? Whoa. Wow, it's busy. This is St. Martin's Sea Caves. Best time to come is at low tide, so you can go into the caves.
Make sure you check the tide times.
Yeah, you don't
want to get stuck.
You don't want to get stuck in the caves like we did one time and had to swim back.
We didn't get stuck.
Well, we swam.
Yeah.
Well, we kind of got stuck. We had to swim.
It was fine. We only had 2 children with us.
So there's a restaurant here as well.
Really
It's also like grown in popularity. It's very popular, I guess. There's a lot of people here. Discovered by St. Martin in the 1600s.
Really?
Yeah. That's where they that's where he hid his booze.
Are you sure?
Yeah, I'm sure. Read it on Wikipedia. I don't know if it's true or not.
Nice cave.
Should we make it our home? Sandals are funny. Such a big cave.
It's just such a big cave.
Crazy.
This is very cool.
I don't remember it being this big.
Yeah, it was this big last time we were.
It got bigger?
I don't know, maybe it got bigger. Toby was crying for you, like a big baby.
So there is kind of 2 caves.
Yeah.
One big cave and one mini cave. There's a trail like up above the caves that you can hike, but I didn't know you could take your 4-wheeler. So there's a couple of sketchy 4-wheelers up on the edge up there. Looks very safe.
Wow, that does not look safe.
We were just out on this little sandbar for a bit and tide came in, Skylar's bag got soaked. The tide always gets us, it comes in so quick, you gotta really watch it. Basically this was all rocks like a few minutes ago. Oh, what a catch!
Wow.
This is hilarious. We were about to leave and Skylar realized that we didn't have the squid baby toy that we were throwing for Toby. So I think we actually left it out there still, and I think it's gone in the ocean. So she's down there looking for it right now. You got him?
He was just
floating?
He was just floating on the shore, so forgotten and alone. Oh,
So good.
that was funny.
He lives another day.
Yeah. Did you already explain what happened?
Yeah.
Well, I thought
got
you
him.
got it, and yeah.
Ice cream. This is Whale's Tails ice cream that we just stopped right by the sea caves here. And they do little doggy treat ice cream cones. Free. So, can I give it to them?
Yes, of course.
You want this? You want this?
We've never done this for them. We should do this more often. This is great. Wow, what a treat, guys.
What a mess. I feel like this is like security or something. I have some people watching out for me here. Or maybe they just want my ice cream.
Look at that happy face.
Before we go check out the Glen Gorge, you gotta check out the suspension bridge along the Fundy Park Trail Way. So we're gonna check that out first.
Where's my clipper? Where's my super soup?
Where's my super soup?
Oh my god. Packing layers, buddies.
Yeah, I need pants. I feel like it's gonna be cold on this bridge, so we're gonna put the t-shirts on the dogs, keep them warm.
We already did this in Quebec. Okay.
Didn't really explain though, did we?
No.
Oh wow, Toby, nice shirt.
Toby's too weird on it.
It's like PJs.
I don't know. Your body size. She's just a lengthy girl.
This is too short, it's too small.
These are XL. There it is.
Any suspension bridge packs?
Nope. David's job today was to look up all the packs. Did you look up any for this place?
Yes, I have suspension bridge
Oh,
packs.
perfect. What do you got?
This is the biggest suspension bridge in New Brunswick. And we've been here 6 years ago?
7? I don't know.
7 years ago?
It was a while. Brisbane
all I
and
got.
Addison were
Oh.
kiddos.
Yeah, you can only take up to 10 people at a time. There you go.
What about dogs?
They're not people, so
Okay, wait.
10
Yeah,
plus 2 dogs
thanks,
could be good.
Thanks.
They don't like it. That's too funny. Be strong, Indy. Look at the way she's walking. You did it, Toby. We made it. We gotta cross the bridge. That was fun. Now we gotta go back.
We can go down over here.
Yeah, let's just go back.
Is Dad nuts? Stop.
Looks like a baby Cape Smoky.
Snakes.
Up, up, up. Indy up. Ooh,
Oh.
burp. Wow.
That's a burp.
We're just checking if the park is closed or if we can still continue to do the Glen Gorge hike, because we kind of noticed that there was nobody around, and then did a quick Google search and it says that it closes at 5. So I don't know if we're like locked in here or not. So Skylar's checking with like a office at the trailhead.
So, quick update. We're very nervous because it's quite quiet here right now. So we thought maybe the park closed at 5 and it's currently 6 o'clock. But they don't close until 8 are their summer hours, but like Google Maps and stuff still hasn't updated those times. So I don't think a lot of tourists know that they're still open till 8.
Crazy,
So-
right? They're losing so much business.
I know. So yeah, we're at 6 o'clock now. We have already hiked the Walton Glen Gorge look off spot before quite a few years ago, but this time we are going to actually go down to the Grand Canyon of New Brunswick is what it's called, and there's like a waterfall, and then you can see the Eye of the Needle. It's like I think the cape, like 2 cliff edges kind of like go together, and there's like a little opening. I'm not really sure.
Sweet, let's go check it out.
Let's go.
Tangletown.
Wow, this is beautiful. Look at that. This is so cool.
That's incredible. All right, so we've reached the end of the trail. This is the Eye of the Needle.
They don't maintain it past this mark, but then the guy in the visitor center said if we want to see the Eye of the Needle, we just have to like go down and cross some boulders.
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 So I guess we're going down and crossing some boulders. So this is the needle right here. This is wild. So cool.
The water is very nice and refreshing. I don't know if I would recommend bringing, like you should wear sneakers for the hike because I'm kind of feeling a little bit of a hot spot on my foot for my sandals just because of the elevation. But I think you should also bring maybe some like water sandals or something in your day bag because then you can walk through the water and enjoy yourself. Or I mean just walking with your shoes too, you can do that. But yeah, that was really, really nice.
We are heading back up. You can keep going down, but you gotta get wet. You can go all the way to the ocean if you want to. But that was an hour and 20 minutes to get down here and hang about for a little bit. So probably another 45 or something to get back out. And we're out. That was just over 2 hours and 5.5 kilometers later.
The guy in the visitor center said he could do it in an hour and a half. So if you're a really quick hiker, you do it that quick. If you're like us and stop and take a million photos.
Yeah, we spent a lot of time down there.
And if you're a slower hiker or need more assistance, then you just have to allot yourself more time.
Now we're gonna see if we can get out of here because it's after 8.
They only closed like
So
17 minutes ago. Buddy is still here, I think, making sure we get out okay. So
thanks for watching.
thanks for watching. Bye.
Bye.